them come out. Father power again, my people. So you see the cameras them come out, rush out, and them find one spelling error in the document with the Prime Minister, the booklet we're gonna hand out. And then run with it. You know, talk about majoring in the minor. You know. And some of them, we never know where them are going with. Because some of them, we didn't see the name Panabola, they would have eat it and never know. I don't know, you know, these people, we know everything about them. But people, I want you to stay focused. Eh? As them say, now watch the noise or the crowd, watch the seal. Me see Crawford him come with film thing about wipe window. It's so funny in that this look at that. When you go see it, let me show you. He never even did have one, I think. One of the wiper thing, but I have to take one from the youth. And these are the people. And this is the kind of comparison he wants to make. Here is a Prime Minister handing out a booklet on achievements. And you want to compare that to simply washing a window. Me can't see why they go at them never not talk to you again. Because them realize, say, you clearly lose your mind. And these people keep calling him Rasta. Crawford is not a Rasta. Him is merely a dread. He simply a grow here without comb it. Eh? So, anyway, go and watch this.
Time come! Remember me, I want you, man. I want you to reach up a man. No, wipe him, car. Low it.
To be look on Jamaica. I hate to put it in this term, but you know, Jamaica is going to become the Singapore of the Western Hemisphere.